Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, as I just did, and from here, look for the Do Not Disturb, which is shortened with the name to just DND right here, so the moon icon. Once you find it, you can simply hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it will function. So let's just scroll down a little bit, and as you will see, you'll have this Do Not Disturb, and below that you will have all the options for it. So in here, simply go through these settings and customize them to your liking. So we have schedules, we have when device is locked, meaning when the Do Not Disturb mode is toggled on and this is toggled on as well. It will only enable Do Not Disturb mode when you're not using the device. Then we have notify about callers, meaning that you can select to let people still be able to call you, but you can select which people will be able to call you and basically bypass the Do Not Disturb mode. Then we have notify about, I just did that, notify about callers. Oh, okay, so this is about repeated callers. So meaning if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass the Do Not Disturb mode and also bypass the option that I have chosen right here. So as you can see, by default it is set to none, so technically when you turn on Do Not Disturb mode, no one should be able to call you. But with this on, whoever calls you twice within that time frame will bypass this option right here and call you as though your Do Not Disturb mode is not even enabled. And yeah, once you go through all these settings and customize them to your liking, you can close this and never come back to it. And when you want to toggle on or off your Do Not Disturb mode, simply, all right, this is one of these ones, there we go. So from here, once you customize it, you can simply tap on a toggle when you want to use it, and voila, it is now enabled. Once you're done with it, you can tap on a toggle once again to turn it off. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.